All right, now this, you've got one bolt over here. All right, there's your throttle body. Okay, your dipstick for your tranny, dipstick tube. And then right down in here, you've got to come down on the back side. All right, and then now I'm coming over towards the front of the car here. And tucked away over here in front by this wiring harness right there. Okay, I'm gonna have to zoom out of this. The zoom's interfering. All right, now there's a wiring harness. All right, right here. Okay, here, okay, and then at this point is down here, there's another juncture. You're not, well, here it is, here under the side of this, there's a bolt. Okay, and I'm going to get to that bolt by coming around the back side, right then forward. Okay, so I can get this bolt right here. Okay, there it is. There's where the bolt's located. Now that I've got my socket on there, and that's a deep socket. All right, now I can get to it. All right, I'm having to put this in here vertical with the handle towards the firewall here on the car. All right, you really can't see it down here, but here's the head. I'm going to have to get it onto the socket itself. Okay, I was able to get that busted loose, get that on. Okay, it just came off that bolt, so now I have to get it back on there so I can continue to work it. All right, there we go. Okay, all I had to do is just kind of grab, I left the hose connected to this cover for the thermostat. I just had to just pull it back and it popped right off. And presently I'm not seeing a gasket. If there is, I will make it known. All right. Well, I thought I was gonna have to maybe knock that cover off of the thermostat. So this is my weapons of choice. This is a little 2x2 basically. I made it turned into a baluster. I just routed it and rounded the corners. Well, the router did that. Anyways, I was going to knock it loose with a piece of wood and a 2-pound shop hammer, but I didn't have to. All right. All right, I had to reach in here some needle nose pliers to get this out. I tried it with my hand and didn't work too well. Well, when I changed out the radiator, I figured, well, I should have changed this out to begin with, but I didn't. Call you little bear. Yeah, maybe. Call you little bear. Yeah. All right. There they go. Yeah. 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 Puppies are cute. All right. That was a commercial. Okay. Now I've got this needle nose pliers. Okay, let me see if I can't get down in there where you can see. At the moment, I'm not sure what you're seeing. Well, all right, I have to do it. Show you. Really? Okay, now I had to take a screwdriver and get it down here. I'll show you what I'm in order to remove the seal. All right. So, got this screwdriver, and what I've had to do is I've had to come down in here with this, just so you can see. Alright, there we go. And I've had to just kind of pry it, push down, and then kind of work it out to pop out the seal. We're just looking at it. It's perfect. Alright, here we go. Alright, and it goes all the way around there. So I'm just going to prying it out with the screwdriver. Alright. And next I'm going to stick my hand in there, see if I can't get it out. Just kind of, here we go. Now we're getting it. This was starting to wonder if there was some trick to this. Okay. There we go. Now this looks a little different. A little bit bigger than the other one. So I hope it's the same. And this one doesn't look nearly as wide. It looks much narrower. Ah. So I'm going to have to, that looks not as wide. This one is much wider than this one. So I don't know about that. Alright. Alright, there they are. This other one looks a little bigger, but it's the same. This fits here, and this fits here. Alright, so based on what I'm seeing, this is going to be okay. Only problem is, I'm guessing, or I figure, that the size difference in these rubber seals are the fact that it's not hot, it hasn't gotten hot yet, and there's no pressure on it. So I'm assuming it'll spread out and get a little bigger. All right, there you go. Okay, now I guess that pretty much sums it up. I've tried to give you a step-by-step tutorial on this 99 Chrysler Sebring 2.5. That's a Sebring convertible. I'm finding that there's quite a bit of differences between the Sebring and the Sebring convertible. The convertible, the parts are different. It's like the manufacturer went out of their way to make differences where it shouldn't even matter, like a radiator cap size is different. The lights, it's a push-in versus a push-in and twist. The push-in and twist are for the regular Sebring. The ones that you just kind of push in are for the convertible. I mean, just little things that shouldn't matter. And there's more, but that's just off the top of my head while it's fresh. So, like, subscribe, share, and put it in a playlist if you think it's good enough. Look forward to hearing from you, and I hope it's helpful. So, bye for now. God bless. Take care. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Bye. Now, I got to see where I can. There we go.